Can you remember the last time you heard a bird singing clearly in the morning? Or caught every word of a conversation without having to ask, "What did you say?" That world of rich, vibrant sound, it's fading, isn't it? The constant struggle to follow conversations. The pretending to hear when you're completely lost. The slow withdrawal from social gatherings because it's just too exhausting. It's that maddening ringing in your ears that follows you everywhere. You've probably been told this is just normal aging, that you should accept it. Get hearing aids and learn to live with muffled sounds and missed connections. But what if you've been looking at hearing loss completely wrong? What if the real solution isn't about making sounds louder from the outside, but restoring your hearing health from the inside? Groundbreaking research has uncovered a shocking truth about hearing loss. It's not just about your ears, it's about your brain. Your ears are just the microphones. Your brain is the supercomputer that processes everything you hear. Here's what really happens. The vital connection between your ears and brain weakens over time. Blood flow to your inner ear diminishes. Nerves become inflamed. Your brain struggles to process sound signals clearly. This is why hearing aids often disappoint. They amplify sound but can't fix the broken communication system. They can't reduce neural inflammation or improve blood flow to your auditory nerves, but Audifort can. Audifort represents a paradigm shift in hearing health. This advanced liquid formula works through 3 powerful mechanisms simultaneously. 1. It enhances circulation to deliver vital nutrients to your inner ear TWO. It reduces inflammation in your auditory nerves. 3. It strengthens brain function for clearer sound processing. Let me show you the science behind this breakthrough. Ginkgo biloba boosts blood flow to brain and ears. GABA calms overactive nerves that cause tinnitus. Grapeseed extract protects auditory cells from damage. Green tea extract reduces inflammation naturally. Maca root enhances cellular energy and cognitive function. But here's what makes Audifort truly revolutionary. It's not just random ingredients. It's a precise synergistic formula in liquid form for maximum absorption. Your body can start using these nutrients immediately. This isn't about masking symptoms. This is about helping your body heal the root causes of hearing decline. So what does this scientific breakthrough feel like in real life? Let these stories show you. Sarah, 64. The constant ringing that haunted me for years. It started fading after just a few weeks. I heard true silence for the first time in a decade, cried tears of relief. Michael, 71. My family had stopped wanting to go out with me because I could unfollow conversations. Now I'm suggesting restaurants again. I can hear my grandson's stories without constantly saying, "Pardon me." Barbara, 68. I thought I was losing my mind. Couldn't remember things because I wasn't hearing them properly. With Audifort, my hearing is clearer and my mental sharpness has returned. This is the transformation we're talking about. It's not just better hearing, it's getting your life back. Imagine actually enjoying television without blasting the volume. Participating confidently in family conversations instead of smiling blankly. Hearing birds sing instead of constant ringing. Feeling included instead of isolated. This is about reclaiming your connections, your confidence, your joy in everyday moments. And because we know you might be skeptical, how many miracle solutions have let you down? We're making this completely risk-free. We're giving you 90 days to try Audifort. If you're not amazed by clearer hearing, reduced ringing, and improved mental clarity, we'll refund every penny. Even with empty bottles, we can offer this guarantee because we've seen thousands of lives transformed. The science works. The results are real. Right now, you face a choice. You can continue struggling with muffled sounds, missed conversations, and constant ringing, accepting isolation as your new normal. Or you can try something fundamentally different. Something that addresses root causes rather than masking symptoms. Click the link below right now, or go directly to our secure order page. Most people choose the 3-month supply for optimal results and best value. But please understand, because we use rare high-quality ingredients and manufacture in small batches for maximum potency, we frequently sell out. Current inventory is limited. When you order today, you're protected by our 90-day money-back guarantee. You can try Audifort for 3 months completely risk-free. Don't let another day pass missing your granddaughter's laughter. Don't spend another family gathering feeling left out. Don't accept that ringing as your permanent reality. The world is too beautiful to experience through muffled, distorted hearing. Click the link now. Begin your journey back to clear hearing and mental sharpness. Your future self, the one who hears clearly, engages confidently, and enjoys peaceful silence, is waiting for you to make this choice. Click the link, get your Audifort, rediscover the joy of hearing life in full clarity again.